All right, hello everyone. I'm back and I'm going to show you quickly the new feature I've added for premium members, making your own huge quiz. Right now it's just a basic quiz up to 1,000 answers, but I'll be adding more formats, hopefully Google Maps quizzes shortly. I'm going to show you how you can do this. If you're a premium member, you can get to this screen right here under Create Your Own, and this screen will pop up if you're a premium member. So you just follow these steps. So I'm going to go through and make a quiz really quickly. So first thing is download this template. If I click this, if you save it, it's an Excel file. I'm going to go into that file, and this is what you get. It's got the directions, what you need to fill in, and basically all you're doing is filling in the cells down here that have red text. Anything in black over here you do not touch, just the stuff in red. So I'm going to make a new quiz. Right now, when you download the template, it's filled in with an NBA top 10 scores quiz with just some make-believe rounded values just to show you what it's supposed to look like. I'm going to make a quiz real quickly called, let's just call it My 10 Favorite Countries. Not really much of a quiz, but this is just an example. So the title goes there in this cell. Enter the title of your quiz. Right below it, the directions. Just some simple directions for your quiz. You can have like the name of the source in here or something, but it's just text. So I'll just say name the top 10 favorite countries of mine. All right here below that, the starting time for the quiz in seconds. This is the starting time for premium members. A non-premium member would have half this time, so you may have to move it up accordingly if you want non-premium members to have a lot of time. But I'll say 2 minutes, 120 seconds. You get 2 minutes. Now, right in here is where you put in the data for the quiz. So right now it's got the NBA top 10 in it. I'm just going to remove these columns. And we'll get rid of hint, required, and all this. Rank I'm going to leave there. This is how you want rank to look. Just 1 up to however many answers you have. Be it 15, be it 10, whatever, up to 1,000. So I'm just going to type in some countries. We'll just say US, UK, France, China, Japan, Australia. How many is that? That's 6. We'll say Brazil, Mexico, Canada, and that is 9, I believe. So we'll just name one more. We'll say Spain. All right, so those are the answers that will appear when you guess them correctly. So if you type in any of these, they will show up as the answer. Now let's say I want some alternate things, so alternate answers. So these are up to 3 for each answer of alternate things you can type to get this answer. So I'll say United States. I'll say United Kingdom here. These are just going to be as they are. There aren't really any alternate names for these countries. You can have up to 3 for each answer, so that's all I need for these. A value, this is required. It's basically just something that's keeping track what you're basing your rank on. So if this were like point scores in the NBA, you'd have the total points, so like 38,000, 36,000, whatever. If it's largest cities in the world, you'd have the population. So 20 million, 15 million, all the way down. So for a quiz like this, it can just be what place this is in your list. So it can be the same as rank. This value does not get displayed on the quiz. It's just there for a sorting purpose. But this is actually sorting as well. But it's just a value that you're kind of assigning to each of these. Hint is what is going to be shown on the quiz before you answer each answer. You can leave this blank if you don't want to give away any hints. I always pretty much have a hint on my quizzes, so I'll just put like the continent for this one. So these will be my hints: Asia, Oceania, South America, North America, Europe. Okay, so those are my hints. And finally, rank needs to be in order that you've typed out your answers, how you want them to appear. And we are done. So we have 10 answers for this quiz. You can have up to 1,000. When you're done, all you have to do is go to this column, J, and copy the highlighted rows, starting with title, that have text in them. So all the way down to your last answer. So we're gonna just copy that, just hit Control C in my case. As you can see, I have made a file called top10movies.csv. This is the name of this file must end in CSV, and the name here, in my case, top 10 movies, should be something related to the quiz you just made, something easy to remember, short, related to the quiz you made. So I'm just, actually it shouldn't be top 10 movies, it should be top 10 countries. Top 10 countries, because I'm doing the top 10 favorite countries. You could call it 10 favorite countries, whatever you want, but just call it that with the .csv extension. We are going to open this file and edit it. Any text editor works, Notepad, whatever you use on your computer. All we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to copy it into the file and save it. So we've saved it. We're done there. We are done with the template. We'll close that. Now all we have to do is, I did all these steps, is upload the CSV file we just made. There it is, top 10 countries. Choose it and upload it. And we are done. File top 10 countries.csv uploaded successfully. Now, when I go to user quizzes, which is right here at the right below new and popular, this page is actually available to all members, not just premium. And we refresh it, there we go. There's my quiz. I made one earlier called 100 Largest Cities in the US. I'm going to click on that, and this should fill in momentarily. There it is. I made this quiz using the template earlier, and that is what it looks like when you play it. It records your stats, records your score, just like any other quiz, and they are always listed right after you upload the CSV file in this, on this user quizzes page. So that is quickly how to create your own custom quiz. Happy quizzing.